Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's AC and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my banana pancakes. Let's jump into the video. To do this, I'm gonna be needing 2 bowls, and in one bowl I'm gonna do my wet ingredients and the other one I'm gonna do my dry ingredients. I'm gonna start off by mashing my bananas, and I'm using 2 bananas, guys. I'm gonna mash them until they are very smooth. So now it's time to mix the dry ingredients, and as you can see, I'm starting off with my flour, and I'm gonna be using 2 cups of flour, and this is the cup that I'm using to measure my flour. Using these measurements, I was able to make 10 very satisfying pancakes, guys. Now I'm just mixing my flour just to make sure there are no lumps in my flour. I'm then gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. After a good mix, I'm just gonna add some cinnamon to add in some flavor. So now it's time to add in some sugar, and I used a 1/4 cup of sugar. If you don't like sugar, feel free to reduce the amount of sugar that you add in your flour. After a good mix, I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt. I'm done mixing my dry ingredients, I'm just gonna move to my wet ingredients, and I'm gonna add 2 eggs to my banana. I'm then gonna add 1 cup of milk. So now I'm just gonna add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients as I stir well, and I'll ensure that I have no lumps inside my mixture, guys. After a very good stir, this is how my mixture looks like, and it looks yummy already, doesn't it? And this means that it's ready to be cooked. So now I'm just oiling my pan just to make sure that my pancakes do not stick to the pan. I prefer using this round-shaped serving spoon to spread the mixture into my pan. Also remember to use low heat when you're cooking your pancakes, guys. So this is how my pancake is looking like, and it's so cute. And after about a minute, I'm just gonna flip it over and cook the other side. This is how your pancake should be looking like, guys, and wow, doesn't it look yummy? Can't wait to taste it. I'm just gonna repeat the same process to the rest of the pancakes, and I managed to make 10 pancakes out of this mixture, guys, and they were so delicious. That's it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna try this recipe, and I know that you're gonna enjoy the pancakes, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment down below, guys. Bye bye till next time.